Luxury motorhomes are far more than transportation. They are rolling masterpieces of engineering and design. These mobile mansions combine power, technology, and five-star comfort, giving travelers the freedom to explore the world without sacrificing elegance. From marble-finished bathrooms and gourmet kitchens to advanced smart systems and lavish master suites, they rival the finest luxury hotels. Join us as we step inside the most luxurious motorhomes in the world and discover how ultimate comfort meets the open road. Imagine cruising the open highway in a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a private luxury residence on wheels. This is the Loki Coach LC020, an ultra-luxury motorhome designed for travelers who demand elegance, technology, and true independence wherever the road leads. Built on the proven Prevost H3 45 VIP double-slide platform, the LC020 delivers the strength and ride quality expected from one of the most respected motor coach foundations in the world. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a calm, minimalist interior that blends warm oak accents with natural stone surfaces. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces create an atmosphere that feels modern, timeless, and intentionally serene. The living area is crafted for pure relaxation, featuring premium recliners positioned perfectly for long, comfortable journeys. A massive 65-inch drop-down television transforms the space into a private cinema at the touch of a button. The fully equipped kitchen offers everything needed to prepare gourmet meals, whether you're parked at a resort or deep off the grid. At the rear, a king-size sofa bed provides a quiet, comfortable retreat after a full day on the road. What truly sets the LC020 apart is its focus on self-sufficiency and freedom. A powerful 48-kilowatt Volta lithium battery system works alongside an Onan generator to deliver reliable energy anytime, anywhere. With 2,400 watts of solar panels, the coach is built to stay off-grid longer without compromise. The Garmin management system puts lighting, climate, power, and connectivity under one intuitive control interface. Integrated Starlink satellite internet keeps you connected even in the most remote destinations. Underneath it all, a 500-horsepower Volvo D13 engine delivers smooth, confident performance across the full 45-foot length. With pricing that typically climbs well beyond the $1 million mark, the Loki Coach LC020 stands as a rolling statement of craftsmanship, technology, and uncompromising luxury. What happens when a world-famous performance brand decides to build the ultimate home on wheels? The answer is the Brabus Big Boy 1200, an ultra-luxury motorhome that signals a bold new era for Brabus GmbH. Created in collaboration with STX Motorhomes, this 12-meter rolling masterpiece blends brute engineering with bespoke craftsmanship. Built on a 3-axle Mercedes Actros chassis, the Big Boy 1200 is designed for serious long-distance touring. A massive 12.8-liter 6-cylinder turbodiesel engine delivers around 530 horsepower and an incredible 2,600 newton-meters of torque. While its top speed is electronically limited to about 90 kilometers per hour, the power and stability feel effortless at cruising speeds. On the outside, the all-black bodywork with carbon accents, LED lighting, and signature Brabus branding makes an unmistakable statement. 4 electrically operated slide-outs expand the interior to over 30 square meters when parked. Step inside and the atmosphere feels closer to a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Premium leather, Alcantara upholstery, and carbon trim define the lounge and living spaces. The gourmet kitchen is fully equipped with induction cooking, an oven, dishwasher, wine cooler, and a full-size refrigerator. A spa-style bathroom with a rain shower and upscale fixtures adds to the residential experience. The master bedroom features an electrically adjustable double bed with generous storage and private comfort. Entertainment is on another level, with multiple 43-inch 4K TVs, a PlayStation 5, premium audio, and Starlink satellite internet. Solar panels, hybrid energy systems, and advanced climate control support true off-grid independence. With pricing starting between roughly 1.26 and 1.5 million euros before taxes, the Big Boy 1200 stands as one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever built. It doesn't simply move down the road, it transforms every journey into a statement of ultimate luxury. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a private luxury residence engineered to travel thousands of miles in complete comfort. The Prevost Emerald H3 double slide is an ultra-luxury motorhome built by Emerald Luxury Coaches for the most discerning travelers. It rides on the prestigious Prevost H345 chassis, one of the most respected heavy-duty platforms in the luxury RV world. The stainless steel coach shell and industrial-grade construction are designed to support expansive slide-outs without sacrificing strength or ride quality. Power comes from a Volvo D13 diesel engine in Prevost VIP specification. With 500 horsepower and approximately 1,850 pound-feet of torque, it delivers smooth, confident performance on the open highway. An Allison 6-speed automatic transmission ensures effortless cruising across long distances. Emerald's double-slide conversion transforms this powerful foundation into a rolling high-end residence. When parked, the dual slide-outs dramatically expand the interior living space. Large Prevost windows flood the coach with natural light and panoramic views. Inside, premium cabinetry, luxury flooring, and full-size residential appliances define the interior. The kitchen features solid surface countertops and upscale fixtures built for everyday comfort. Bathroom spaces feel spa-like, while the master stateroom offers privacy and generous storage. Advanced technology includes integrated infotainment, multi-zone climate control, satellite internet, and efficient power systems. The aerodynamic Prevost body reduces road noise and enhances driving efficiency. With prices typically ranging from $1.6 to $1.8 million, exclusivity is built into every detail. The Prevost Emerald H3 double slide stands as a benchmark for uncompromising luxury, power, and comfort on the road. What does it take to turn the open highway into a 5-star living experience on wheels? The 2026 Tiffin Zephyr is the flagship luxury class diesel motorhome from Tiffin Motorhomes, built to redefine what high-end travel looks like. Engineered on the Powerglide raised rail rear-engine diesel chassis, it delivers both strength and refinement in equal measure. At the heart of the Zephyr is a massive 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine. Paired with an Allison 4000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth, confident performance mile after mile. With a towing capability of up to 20,000 pounds, this motorhome is ready to bring everything along for the journey. Stretching roughly 45 feet in length, the Zephyr also provides expansive exterior storage for extended travel. A 12.5 kilowatt Onan Quiet diesel generator supports true off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Step inside, and the interior feels more like a luxury residence than a motorhome. Panoramic windows, porcelain tile flooring, and handcrafted hardwood cabinetry set a refined residential tone. Triple or quad slide-outs dramatically expand the living space when parked. Advanced technology includes integrated multiplex controls, multiple smart TVs, and optional Starlink connectivity. The kitchen is designed for serious cooking, with residential appliances and upscale countertops. Bedrooms feature king-size beds and generous storage, while spa-style bathrooms elevate everyday routines. Hydronic heating systems and optional heated floors ensure comfort in every season. With pricing that can exceed $1 million, the 2026 Tiffin Zephyr stands as a true pinnacle of luxury motorhome design. Designed for those who demand power without sacrificing luxury, this motorhome stands at the top of its class. The 2026 Newmar Summit Air Super C is built exactly for that purpose. Positioned near the top of Newmar's premium lineup, it blends commercial-grade strength with refined residential living. Riding on the Freightliner Cascadia chassis, it carries the presence and durability of a true heavy-duty platform. Under the hood, a Cummins X15 diesel engine delivers up to 605 horsepower and an immense 1,950 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an Allison 4000 MH 6-speed automatic transmission, it provides smooth, confident long-distance cruising. With a 20,000-pound towing capacity, it is ready to haul trailers, stackers, or serious recreational equipment. Stretching approximately 44 to 45 feet in length, the Summit Air offers expansive space both inside and out. Multiple slide-outs dramatically extend the living area when parked. Large pass-through storage compartments and a 12.5 kilowatt diesel generator support extended off-grid adventures. Inside, solid hardwood cabinetry, polished porcelain tile floors, and premium finishes create a true residential atmosphere. The spacious lounge includes theater seating, large sofas, and high-definition smart TVs. Multiplex controls and touchscreen panels centralize lighting, climate, and power management. The kitchen features residential appliances, an induction cooktop, generous storage, and refined countertops. A king-size master suite and bath-and-a-half layouts elevate comfort to a luxury home standard. With pricing starting in the high six figures and reaching toward $1 million, the 2026 Summit Air Super C stands as a bold fusion of diesel power, advanced technology, and uncompromising luxury on the road. What if your next road trip came with diesel power, residential luxury, and the confidence to tow almost anything behind you? Meet the 2025 Renegade RV VeronaLE, a luxury diesel-powered Class C motorhome built to blur the line between a coach and a high-end home. Riding on the Freightliner M2106 Plus chassis, it brings commercial-grade strength to premium RV travel. A Cummins L9 engine pushing 360 horsepower and 1,150 pound-feet of torque delivers effortless highway performance. Paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, the drive feels smooth, controlled, and confidence-inspiring. With a massive 20,000-pound towing capacity, the VeronaLE is ready for trailers, boats, or serious adventure gear. Advanced chassis features like air-ride rear suspension and electronic stability control add comfort and peace of mind. Step inside and you're greeted by a residential-style interior finished with solid surface countertops and hardwood cabinetry. Porcelain tile flooring and grouted backsplashes elevate the space with a true luxury home feel. Hidden sleeping areas and a full bathroom with washer and dryer prep make long trips practical and comfortable. Multiple floor plans offer flexible living spaces designed for families and extended travel. In the bedroom, memory foam mattresses and maple cabinetry create a relaxing retreat at the end of the day. Entertainment is covered with 4K smart TVs and generous seating throughout the coach. A large 100-gallon fuel capacity supports longer drives with fewer stops along the way. Tech like Garmin navigation, multiple camera views, and premium sound insulation keep every mile stress-free. With pricing ranging from the mid-$300,000 range to over $450,000, the VeronaLE delivers diesel power, luxury comfort, and real-world capability in one refined Class C package. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury villa built to conquer highways in absolute comfort. The 2024 Foretravel Presidential Series Realm LVB stands at the pinnacle of ultra-luxury Class A diesel coaches. Crafted by Foretravel, it represents some of the most refined engineering and premium craftsmanship in the RV world. Beneath its elegant exterior lies the heavy-duty Spartan K4 chassis, built for strength and stability. Power comes from a Cummins X15 diesel engine delivering 605 horsepower and approximately 1,950 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an Allison 4000 MH 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth, commanding long-distance performance. Advanced systems like valid air ride suspension and collision mitigation technology enhance control and confidence at highway speeds. The LVB, short for luxury villa bunk, is designed for travelers who need both space and versatility. 4 slide-outs dramatically expand the interior, transforming it into a spacious residential retreat. Fixed bunk beds combine with full-size sleeping areas, making it ideal for family or multi-generational travel. Inside, handcrafted cabinetry and premium upholstery set a tone of refined elegance. Spa-style bathrooms, high-definition entertainment systems, and advanced climate control elevate everyday living. The kitchen is fully equipped with residential appliances, generous storage, and premium finishes. Large water capacities and a powerful Onan diesel generator support extended off-grid adventures. Dual-pane insulated windows and flangeless pneumatic slide seals improve comfort and weather protection. With pricing originally listed above $1.6 million and sales often around $1.2 million or more, depending on options, the 2024 Realm LVB delivers elite luxury without compromise. It stands as a masterclass in combining commercial-grade performance with true residential opulence on wheels. This is where refined luxury meets confident long-distance touring on the open road. The 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bus 450 PP stands as a premium Class A diesel motorhome built for travelers who expect comfort without compromise. Designed by Tiffin Motorhomes, it blends upscale residential living with proven highway performance. The coach rides on the Powerglide XC raised rail rear-engine diesel chassis, engineered for strength and stability. Power comes from a Cummins L9 diesel engine, producing 450 horsepower and around 1,250 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth, relaxed cruising mile after mile. At 45 feet long with a GVWR of roughly 52,000 pounds, the Allegro Bus offers serious space for travel and storage. A 10-kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator supports full comfort during off-grid stops. 4 slide-outs dramatically expand the interior when parked, creating an open and spacious living environment. A large fuel capacity of about 150 gallons and generous water tanks enhance range and self-sufficiency. Inside, the coach feels like a luxury home, featuring a king-size bed, plush seating, and multiple entertainment zones. The living area includes sofa beds, ottomans, and a dinette designed for both relaxation and hosting guests. The kitchen is built for full-time living with residential appliances, stainless finishes, and ample storage. A bath-and-a-half layout and washer-dryer prep add everyday convenience for extended trips. Premium paint schemes, refined decor options, and high-quality materials highlight the attention to detail throughout. With pricing ranging roughly from $645,000 to over $930,000, the 2026 Allegro Bus 450 PP delivers flagship luxury, performance, and comfort in a truly road-ready package. As we wrap up this journey through some of the most luxurious motorhomes ever built, one thing is clear: these are not just vehicles, but true masterpieces on wheels. Each one blends cutting-edge engineering with unmatched comfort, redefining what it means to travel in style. If you enjoyed exploring these rolling palaces, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible innovations from around the world.